Dr. Jones is performing a difficult surgical procedure and, oh dear, his specialty instrument breaks or is blunted. He is upset, of course. He has another case tomorrow. His assistant hands the instrument to the scrub nurse with clear instructions. Please get it fixed and fast. Nurse Sharon pauses. She thinks, of course, ReSmart, the 24-hour precision instrument repair. She packs it up in an easy case and calls the courier at Jensen's. The ReSmart team goes to work, and once again, the ReSmart Repair Refurbishment Program works a miracle. The easy case hurries back to the hospital, and Nurse Sharon unpacks the instruments shiny, sharp, and superbly serviced. Superb, says Dr. Jones, looking at his watch. Yes, says Nurse Sharon. The ReSmart service is consistently completing. Thank you, says Dr. Jones, smiling.